In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer notes from Android to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to transfer and synchronize your notes from Android to any iOS device, including an iPhone. For this method, you will need to first start on the Android device and transfer them over to the iPhone using a specific bridge. So in this example, I'm showing you how to do it through Google Keep. But a lot of other Notes apps exist for Android. So you have Samsung Notes, you have Xiaomi Notes, and you have different applications that you can download on the Play Store. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on Google Keep, but you can apply the same logic for any other Notes app. Like I said before, you need a bridge to connect your Android notes to an iPhone, and this will be primarily through Google Drive. So whenever you highlight any notes on Google Keep and potentially other notes applications as well, you will have the option to share them. So you tap on these three dots and you look for the send or share option. This can also be an icon with an arrow or something similar, but you need to locate the share function on your particular notes app. Once you choose Send, look for the Google Drive option. The reason why I recommend using Google Drive is because on your iPhone, you will be able to synchronize your Google account. And once your Google account is synchronized, everything will be pulled over, including the details from Google Drive, all of the documents, which are now going to include the notes from your Android device. So essentially, we will be able to use Google as a bridge. Like I said before, you don't necessarily need Google Keep for this. It is just the example that I'm showing in this video. But if you are using one of the other applications like Samsung Notes, Mi Notes, you need to look on how you can share or save your notes from those apps into Google Drive. Sadly, for a video of this length, I cannot cover every single app out there, but I still hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.